from what I hear, in that she had a baby and she wants support. Okay, that may be fine, but that's that's a different issue. Why is she entitled to anything? Nobody's
Well,
saying she
my
should take.
question is, she's applying for Title 4D
I don't know.
services.
We all understand that. What specifically did you
Right.
do that would entitle her to relief? Why aren't you, in other words, why aren't you entitled to relief? Why can't you have the child? Who is the custodial parent of the child? What's the basis for
Right.
that? You see how that works?
Yes.
So break down. So that's where, if it were me, I can't tell y'all what to do. If it were me, I would start looking into the fact pattern and say, okay, based upon this fact pattern, what makes you think I owe you any goddamn thing? The fact pattern doesn't show that I did anything that would entitle her to relief. All it shows, from what I heard, unless somebody heard something different, is she had a baby potentially because they said you have a baby in common. I don't even know what the fuck that means. You have a baby in common. Okay, did it state specifically that you all are the parents of the child?
It did not.
Okay, well then maybe you might want to find out. And I could be, this depends on the state now. Find out what's necessary for the state to move forward. Because it's not her bringing the action, apparently, it's the state, correct?
No, that's the crazy part. It's her. There's no state representative on the petition.
Okay, so then she's suing you for support. Okay, now you can actually answer her, and then after answering her, then you can it's not a counter petition, but you can answer, you can counter petition her and state, well, the mother, this is the case, and state your set of facts, and then the court would have to adjudicate based upon the facts. And
Right.
or you can actually, in some places, let's see right here. So let's do this right here first, and then we're going to talk about the two components of jurisdiction for the people, and then we're going to go into you filing a motion to dismiss. So go ahead and do there are two common components. Read that.
There are two common. There are two components and constitutional predicates of personal jurisdiction. King versus Kamin, I guess that is 94 NY 2D 263, so on and so forth. One component involves services of process, which implicates due process requirements of notice, an opportunity to be heard, citations omitted. Even though a defendant may be subject to the jurisdiction of the court, dismissal may be sought based on the claim that service was not properly
Whoa, back that up.
authenticated.
Don't yell out words. Read.
Was not properly.
Even though the defendant may be subject to the jurisdiction of the court,
Dismissal may be sought based on the claim that service was not properly effectuated.
effectuated. There you go.